Good morning. I don't know why I felt like screaming right there. Probably because I've been up since 4:20. And Coach Micheal Burt, good morning to you. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. I believe a good coach can change your life. I've had smaller views on my 6 a.m. session, so I thought I'd get home, spend some time with the kids, get everybody going, get ready to head to Nashville, and then do my morning Thursday rhythm. So good morning to you. Tammy, good morning. So good morning to everybody that's joining. My name is Coach Micheal Burt. As you know, I coach and develop talent in people, companies, organizations. We could sum all of that up, Sandinia, in activating the prey drive in a person, which is their instinct to pursue. Good morning, Melanie Mayo. So every morning, typically, I come to you, and I'm in a major promotion period right now where I'm promoting this new book called Flip the Switch. So I'm just out there more. I'm doing more things, and I'm trying to get this book in as many people's hands, Travis, as I can. And one of the ways I'm going to do this is by giving you guys a free event on January 13th called Activate. Probably going to have 150 people in the room. Probably going to have 1,000 people online. So I'll be posting. You'll see me make a big push for this January 13th. If you want to be in the room with me, then reach out to me and let me know, or buy 10 copies of the book, and that guarantees you'll be in the room with me. Last night I was doing a podcast at 7 p.m. with a gentleman in Asia, Lance, who it was 9 a.m. in Asia. It was 7 p.m. here, and I did podcasts all day yesterday. I'm doing podcasts all day today. And he asked me about negatives, because in the new book, Flip the Switch, I talk about conversion and how do you convert something negative in life to something positive? How do you convert a slight, a rejection, a put down, somebody who doesn't believe in you? How do you convert? The word conversion or transformation actually means to take something and convert it to something else. Conversion means to take nothing, an idea, a process, a past, and convert that into something. Conversion. Like last week, we had electrical issues here in Tennessee, and I was talking to my stepdad who works at the electric department and is over all the people, and I'm like, man, they're converting water to energy, right? That they're converting it. So for you, how do you convert a negative in life versus talk up a negative, as my good friend Rick Insell would say? I'm going to see him and his team play tonight at MTSU. Because he used to say, you're talking up a negative. You're talking up a negative. You got two choices, folks, when you have negative things in life. You can talk them up, bring them up, talk about them, keep them going, or you can convert them. Okay, and it could be something negative: fear, anxiety, disappointment, a slight, a rejection, a put down, a something where somebody doesn't come through for you. And you got two options, Kelly. You can either convert it to action, or you can convert it to conversation. And so what I say a lot of people do is they converse, but they don't convert. And conversion is literally taking a thought, an idea, and converting it to energy, movement, circulation, activity, working the muscle, okay? And so what you're seeing me do is promote this book like crazy with these Prey Drive challenges, lunches, dinners, podcasts, activate event that's completely free on the 13th. What I'm doing is I believe in probability, and I believe there's a much higher probability of converting something when people are in the room than when they're not in the room. I believe there's a much higher probability of me converting somebody who's out there watching me to something by doing this than not doing it. So if you believe in probability, when negative things happen in your life, you have really two choices. You can talk them up, which means really waste time at the end of the day. That's what I'm saying. You're wasting a lot of time talking up something that happened in the past. You're talking up, as Coach Insell would say, you're talking up a negative. Or you can convert a negative. And I actually believe, in some weird way, you need these negatives. I believe the negative, the conflict, the injustice, the people who don't believe in you, I actually believe you need that as fuel. I think it helps you elevate to a higher level, and we're all looking for anything who can help us get to that level. So I want you to take something in your life that's happened in the last 30, 60, 90 days, and I want you to think about converting that. And I want you to think, whether it be an external economy, whether it be somebody did something or didn't believe in you, or somebody, you could tell if people believe in you or not. And I want you to convert it. And instead of talking it up, reliving it. Can you believe they did this? Can you believe they did this? Forget all that. They did it, okay? Move on from it. Convert it quickly. The faster you can convert negative energy. Good morning, Carrie Ann. The faster you can convert negative energy to positive action, the faster you're going to move towards your B. And it is that simple. And that's really what this whole book is about. Throughout the whole book, the editor kept asking me, do you want them to do this exercise over and over, A to B? I said, yes. I do want them to do that exercise over and over. They're here and they're trying to get here. To do that, the prey drive must be activated. It must be reactivated. There must be a persistence to it. There must be an intensity to it. And if they don't have that, then they never make any progress toward their ideal outcome. And along the way, all this shit's going to happen to them. And they got to be ready, Chad Free, to convert that negative to a positive versus talk up a negative. And too many people spend time talking up a negative. We're all guilty of it. Drama, living with it. Listen, man. Take it, grab it. Say something Dr. Elko taught me. Say, thank you, I owe you. Keep on moving. Thank you, I owe you, and keep on moving. Love you guys. So, January 13th, we're going to start posting this link. Get your tickets. Bring as many people as you want to, man. I don't care. Bring 10,000 people, Chad Free. It's completely free. January 13th, 10 to 4, activate. I'm going to show you the psychology of activating your drive. I'm going to put you on a path to having the best year of your life. It's going to be at the lodge. I'm taking 150 people. Okay, Chad, you need to be there in person. Okay, all of my big advocates need to be there in person. It's completely free. I got 150 spots. Coach Breen's bringing the whole women's softball team. Okay, and then if you can't come, then you got to watch it online. And you need to block that day off and be there with me all day so you can really, really get the full benefit of what we're going to be teaching on how to activate your prey drive every day, okay? Let's have a great day. I'm headed to Nashville. God bless you guys.